In this video, I'll show you how to delete junk files in Windows 11. Just go head over to your search bar right here at the bottom left or at the center of your screen. Alright, just click on search and find disk cleanup. Alright, now once this one pops up, just go head over to the right side and click on run as administrator. Alright, and here in the drop down, you can either select your preferred drive to clean up, or just go ahead over to C, as this is where all your documents and programs are installed by default. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and hit on OK and wait for this process to load. Now, as you can see here, I'll zoom in so that you can see. You can go ahead and tick on the tick boxes right here for the particular subject that you want to clean up. All right, for example, the Windows Update Cleanup, just go ahead and tick on this one. As you can see here, we have 570 MB that we are not using anymore. Also, the Microsoft Defender antivirus cached files, downloaded program files, temporary internet files. If you want to, you can go ahead and tick this. All right. Also, Windows reports, DirectX shader. Personally, I don't want to clean this up. Delivery optimizations. You can go ahead and tick or untick this one, but you can just go ahead and read the description right here. As it says, delivery optimizations is used to download updates from Microsoft. These files are stored in a dedicated cache to be uploaded to other devices on your local network. So it is not needed. So let's just go ahead and tick this one. Device driver packages, it is 0 bytes, so it doesn't matter. Always check your recycle bin right here. All right. As you delete files, it will not vanish at all. It will just go to recycle bin. All right. A quick tip here. For example, I'm going to create a text document. Say for example, I'm going to delete it, right click and hit on delete. As you can see, it just went through the recycle bin. Now I'm going to get this back, restore. To be able to delete a file permanently without going to a recycle bin anymore, just click on the file and hold the shift key on your keyboard and also press the delete key. All right, press shift and the delete key simultaneously. Delete, and it will say, make sure you want to permanently delete this file. Just hit on yes, and it's gone. All right. Thumbnails here, if you want to, you can go ahead and tick this one, but I personally don't. And when you're in the clear, if you're happy with the tick boxes right here, just go ahead and hit on OK, and there'll be a pop-up. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? If you are sure, again, delete files. All right. And it says here, the disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Just wait for the process to finish, and once done, make sure to restart your computer, and after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.